Dear friends, this is another interesting problem on Newton's second law of motion. What is given is there are two blocks. One block is of mass 3 kg, other block is of mass 4 kg, and they touch each other. They touch each other. Okay, and they are at rest. That is, they are at rest. They are not moving, and they are at rest on a surface which is frictionless. Surface is frictionless. Okay. This 3 kg block, you exert a force of 10 newtons, and this 4 kg block, you exert a force of 3 newtons. Okay, so this is one force and this other force. Now you'll find that when this is 10 kg, this is 3 kg, these two blocks, they would move together with a common acceleration of a kg. So you will have that the acceleration of 3 kg block is equal to acceleration of 4 kg block, and this is to be found. This is to be found. Second thing is, they have asked you to find what this 4 kg block would exert a force on 3 kg, and what this 3 kg block is, what is the force which is exerted by 3 kg block on the 4 kg. Okay, so this we have to find. So let us draw first free body diagram. Now I will combine these two blocks, and I will assume that they form a common mass that is of 7 kg. Okay, so I will consider this a common mass of 7 kg because why? Because they are always together. They will always be together. So this I will consider as 7 kg. Now the free body diagram when I am drawing, okay, considering the horizontal forces. So this is 10 newtons, and this would be 3 newtons. Okay. And then, so let us say that this is the combined block, which is having the two masses. One is of 3 kg and other is of 4 kg. Okay, I combine them, right? And both would move with the common acceleration p. So by Newton's second law, F plane is equal to mass into acceleration. So acceleration is equal to net force upon mass. The net force is 10 minus 3. What is net force? Net force would be in this direction, and this would be 10 newtons minus 3 newtons in this direction. Okay, in this direction, and acceleration would be in this direction, the same direction as that of the force. So this would be 7 newtons. This would be 7 kgs. So Newton, you know, is kg into meter per second square. So this is kg would cancel, and this becomes 1 meter per second square. So this is the first answer. Your answer first is the acceleration of 3 kg block and 4 kg block would be 1 meter per second square, right? So this is the answer. 3 kg and 4 kg would have a common acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Now, what is the force which is exerted by 4 kg block on a 3 kg block? So for that, we need to draw free body diagram for a 4 kg block and a 3 kg block. Okay. So let me draw a free body diagram for this. So for this, I am drawing now a free body diagram. So this is a block, and this block is of mass, let us say 3 kg, and I am drawing another block which is of mass 4 kg. Okay, let us say this is 4 kg. Okay. And now you see that this 3 kg would push this 4 kg by some normal force, let us say N1, and this 4 kg by Newton's third law of motion would exert the equal and opposite force on this 3 kg. So let us say this is also N1. So N1 and N1, these are the normal force on these two blocks. Okay, so 3 kg would push this 4 kg by N1, and 4 kg would push back this 3 kg by N1. What is the force over here? This force is 10 newtons. 10 newtons. What is the force over here? This force is 3 newtons. What is the acceleration here? The acceleration we have found out. this acceleration is in this direction, 1 meter per second square. Okay, and this is on this direction. Sorry, this is in this direction. So, but the acceleration will still be in this direction, which is 1 meter per second square. Okay, so let us solve this. So you will find that now this, applying the second law, net force is equal to mass into acceleration. So net force is 10 minus, this is 10 minus n1. Mass is 3 kgs and acceleration is 1 meter per second square. So this becomes 10 minus n1 is equal to 3 newtons. So if you solve this, so n1 will be 10 minus 3, that is 7 newtons. So if this is 7 newtons, so this is also 7 newtons. So your answer is 7 newtons. Okay. So let us just write down these answers. Force exerted by 4 kg block on 3 kg block would be 7 newtons, and the same force, the force exerted by 3 kg block on the 4 kg block would be also 7 newtons. So this is how we have to calculate. Okay, so this is a very interesting sort of problem we are just solving.